Okay, next one up, new client with his Triumph Street Twin. Brought it down earlier, was going to wait around for it, but as it's pissing down, I am going to do it, get it all minted up, and I will deliver it back to him. This is going to get one of our legendary full works packages, which will include a 2-stage machine polish and all the painted bits, and then we will treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro 2019 model. It's sitting outside for a while, so we've got lots of little bits of rust to sort out. We will put the XCP clear coat on all the lower half. I will mint these exhausts up like new, sort out a few rusty nuts and bolts, get some corrosion protection, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some polishing. All this needs a good buff up. So yeah, got our work cut out for us with this one. Let's get cracking. Okay, Triumph Street Twin has now been fully washed and decontaminated. Now in the studio, I've got some detailing to do before we apply any XCP. I'm gonna see if we can sort out a few of these caliper bolts. A couple of bits and pieces to polish, and then we'll get some XCP on it and then crack on with some paint correcting. I will show you this paintwork in a minute. You can see already looking pretty sad, so we've got quite a bit of polishing to do on that. Mirror polish these up, all these little bits that do corrode. So let's get cracking. Okay, all the detailing has now been completed. Exhausts are mirror polished up like new. Headlight brackets have all been polished. Removed all the spotty corrosion that's starting. Look at the gloss on those exhaust, better than new. XCP's been applied. Now time to crack on with some paint correcting. Oh my God, what the hell is that? Looks like it has been cleaned with bloody sandpaper. So like I said earlier, we're going to do a full 2-stage machine polish on all this painted bits, and then we'll prep it and seal it with the Ultimaxx ceramic, which should help prevent any of this in future. Windscreen has been removed as it's got a load of marks inside there. We will polish that up. So let's get cracking. This is my favorite bit. All right, just going to show you a little before and after. I get a lot of clients say, oh, my paintwork's all right, doesn't need any machine polishing, and I'm all right for the ceramic. But this is, let me just show you a little before and after. That's before, and this is after one run. We're going to do another one, and then we'll prep it and seal it with the ceramic. But look at the difference. Before, scratched up spider webs. After, like a mirror. This is why I try to stress it's that little bit extra makes all the difference. Let's get the rest of this done, and this bike will be ready for collection. There you go, 3 hours and a bit. This Triumph Street Twin has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Look at the gloss on that paintwork, like a mirror. This has had one of our full works packages, which includes the Ultimaxx ceramic. So we've done a 3-stage machine polish on this paintwork. We use the Cartec, start off with the 3000, 9000, finish off the 12,000 just to get a nice bit of depth and gloss. All prepped and then treated with the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic, helps with that black paintwork. Everything else has been meticulously cleaned, polished, and protected. All done at 3 hours, 15 minutes. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Is your bike starting to look a little sad? Time to get it trotted. Absolutely gleaming. Customer is going to be chuffed. Managed to remove most of that rust on those shocks. Like I said, everything's been XCP'd afterwards. All the chains been serviced, all blow dried, re-lubed back up, all up underneath the seat. Absolutely gleaming, as new, if not better. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.